Step 1. Install the left front leg cap onto the left front cart leg. Step 2. Install the left rear leg cap onto the left rear cart leg. Please note and align the sticker on the rear leg cap with the sticker on the rear leg. Step 3. Attach left cart upper and lower braces to the left front cart leg and left rear cart leg using 4 M6 by 12 mm bolts. Attach the rear cart upper and lower braces to the rear cart legs using 8 M6 by 12 mm bolts as illustrated. Step 5. Attach front panel to front of cart using 4 number 8 self-tapping screws. Step 6. To install the tank support bracket to the right rear and front legs, insert tabs into slots in the legs as illustrated. Install the big end of the tank support bracket into the right front cart leg and small end on the tank support bracket to the right rear cart leg. Step 7. To install the wheels, insert wheel axle bolts through wheels and wheel washers, right rear and front cart legs and tank support bracket as illustrated. Insert cotter pins to secure. Make sure to orient the wheels with flat side facing the legs. Step 9. Unscrew the pre-attached bolts from the tank retention bracket. Attach tank retention bracket in between the right front and rear cart legs using 2 pre-attached M6 by 20 mm bolts as illustrated. Attach the tank brace by inserting the carriage bolt through the keyhole, slide down, and then secure with the wing nut. Step 8. Install grill body assembly onto cart base as illustrated. Secure using 6 M6 by 12 mm bolts. Step 10. Attach the left side table assembly to the left side of the grill body. Place table over bolts and slide toward the back of the grill. then tighten the bolts securely. Step 11. Attach the right side table assembly to the right side of the grill body. Place table over bolts and slide toward the back of the grill, then tighten the bolts securely. Step 12. Hang grease cup from brackets on the bottom of the grill body assembly. Step 13. Place the heat distribution plates on the lower level of the grill body assembly in spaces on brackets directly above the burners. Step 14. Insert warming rack through the holes in the grill hood and then insert the warming rack legs into the holes in the grill body. Step 15. Place cooking grate on support ribs directly above the heat distribution plates.